ways.
At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. No victory lap, no clean win, just a pulse in my chest. Just the work, just the wreckage, just the weight I address. If the bell says it's over, then I stand with the truth. I don't need a new story, I just need proof. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the stars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left.
Count it up. 1, 2. This a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back, testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
chest, one move, then the next. No drift, no maybe, no stall. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every wind opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't beg the doubt. Don't feed the brake. When it locks in place, that's the shape of fate. Lead it hard, let it pull you through. One true signal and I'm all in tow. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. In the tape room, same rule. Read the candles, read the fools. If the setup feels alive, I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright stars never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I know. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small stuff stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I could lose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king, and I know what to do.
Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow.
Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a debt.
Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small.
Still in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall.
Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Hey!
Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops.
Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck.
Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in. Weight on my shoulders, turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking only sharpens up the rock. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step I never stop. Bank on chop. top, long at the base. But from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the chains off, let them drop. Bank on chop. I'm the storm you can't outrun. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long till the heartbeat says I'm done. Chop, 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 chop. Crowd in my chest, it shouts. Bank on chop, bank on chop, bank on chop, 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 chop.
Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so. And it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone. But they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console. But I'm holding on her.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It's July 28th, 2:45 p.m. We are trading the last hour of the market on this Tuesday. Javier, how you doing today, brother?
Yeah, bro. Pretty damn good. I'm pretty damn good. We're back to the top of this chop, 54. But dude, I've been great, man. I saw you got a fat, nice payout there. I've been having a hell of a month myself, but it's been fucking great, dude. It's been fucking great. Can't complain at all. And for FOMC week, right?
Yeah. Aniki, if you want to show this to people on YouTube, today, bro, their shit is so fast. It took a $40,000 withdrawal. It's $8,000 over 5 150K accounts. Now, this took me a while. This wasn't like an instant thing. I was trading these accounts for quite some time. Loaded it up. Took some time. I traded a lot last night. Overtraded, I'll be honest. But I hit max payout across all the accounts.
Can you show that video? The video of the thing, dude. I thought that was badass. The mid guard, the way that.
Yeah.
Dude, I thought that was freaking awesome, dude. I was like, whoa. Like, I'm still working on a couple of my mid guards. I just passed one, but I was above the 12-second rule. Let me see. I've been working on it slowly. Yes, I'm below the consistency rule. So I finally got below the consistency rule.
I was just randomly fucking around. I was looking at their oh, here we go. I was just looking at their
first pass mid guard right here.
Discord, and this shit showed up. Let me put it on
yeah, dude, that thing was badass.
Put it on the YouTube.
Like, shoot.
On the YouTube, and then I'll show it on the Discord also. Look how sick this is, guys. All right, can everybody see it?
Guys.
Are you guys able to see this? Ready? Watch this.
Yeah, that's so fucking awesome, man. Yeah, yeah, it makes you want to like be like, hello.
Makes you want to go fucking pillage. Makes you want to just fucking pillage people. So cool.
On to victory. Makes you want to put on that helmet.
Right.
Dude, that's fucking badass.
Yeah, fat payout. I think that's one of my biggest payouts. I don't know if one of my biggest ones. But what that also means, back-to-back 100K months. Ah!
Let's go.
Here's the cool thing. My strategies, my morning strategies, are at like a fucking 50% win rate this month. But the RR is there. However, those accounts, 100% PHP. Only PHP. Nothing else. That's not true. A little bit of market structure trades. Some market structure trades, but like 90% PHP.
All right. I just tested this 50 retest. Got a little quick 12-point push up there. That's it so far. I want to see if this 45 will hold. If it doesn't, we're back to potentially test this 39 and looking for a potential reentry in the chop zone. But I want to see if this thing continues to push up. I would like to see it hold above 40.
Clout, yeah. This is the taxes. Tell your husband to lock it down, write his LLC, and get with Dan because I'm already getting fucking cooked on taxes, but because I have a very good CPA and accountant, it's not as brutal as it could be. So you need to get your husband to do that ASAP. Otherwise, you guys are gonna get fucking rinsed.
Yeah, no. I learned my lesson with taxes the first year. That first year I was like, holy shit. And then the second year was even worse, so I was extra holy shit.
I pay
There's this
quarterly
push.
now, just to play it
There's
safe.
this continuation. There's a nice continuation on that retest. You guys had an opportunity to get in on that. Up about 15 points now. Let's see if it can continue a push up to potentially 87. 87, 77, 87. There's a 5-minute downtrend line here at 78. Would love to see it push up a little further above that, but that will be the next area of rejection or next area of pause. Let's see. Go to Dubai, no taxes. Is that why people go to Dubai? Do we gotta start doing that offshore? We gotta get the offshore bank accounts and be those quote unquote wealthy people things, right? But we're leaving the evidence out. Oh, here's that push. Oh, here's that push. Did anybody get in on that 50 retest? Did anybody? I mean, I said it a couple times, right? I'm a support resistance guy, looking for that 40 to hold. We tested it, bounced over 50, and I am letting one runner ride here. Because why the hell not? I'm gonna hold my runner underneath this candle at 64. See if she wants to hold and continue and make that push to 87. If not, oh well. Nice. All right. Nice little 20-point stick there, and my runner got trailed out. I want to see if this 2-minute candle can hold really well above 64. That 5-minute rejected right there, though. That 78. We rejected at 78. That's the downtrend on the 5-minute. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at for the cord. Right below orb as well. Right below orb. But this is what I'm looking at on the 5-minute, right? That area, that little bright red, that little quantum area. That's where I was looking at. The level above was 87.75, but it rejected right there. Breaks that. Then we have top of orb 87.75, then 96. Top of orb is like at 91, 92. All right. Is Midgard wealth charts only, or does it have trade? Midgard is only wealth charts right now for us, right? They think they do other stuff, but right, we use wealth charts.
I don't know. I know they don't. I only trade Tradeovator wealth charts, and they don't have trade rates, so I use wealth charts. Their payouts were fucking so fast, though. It's already in my bank account. I requested it this morning, and it's in my bank account. It's fucking great.
They're basically TPT for wealth charts. I think that's how we kind of explain them, right?
Yeah, but they have a bigger drawdown.
Yeah, they do have a 2,500 drawdown.
Yeah, a little bit faster. I love TPT. Don't get me wrong. I love TPT, but Dude, it's fucking great. I love it, dude. I got
Looks
daily Midgard. Actually, I traded my Midgards again, dude. Let me. Where's my Wealth Trust account? I traded my Midgards randomly today. I'm about to do another pull. I'm going to get another withdrawal. Not as big, obviously. What did I traded them again. I think I don't know if I have to take another trade tomorrow though. I think I do. But I think I'm gonna get another like 369, like a 15K payout. This is gonna be a fucking fat month for me.
hell yeah, dude.
And then I think I'm gonna get a payout from Lucid and maybe TPT. What's the stop loss set up on wealth charts?
Asking for free sauce there, huh? Trying to be
it's-
slick.
It's usually if you're on a long, you put it below your entry, and if you're in a short, you put it above your entry. Usually what you do.
That's some sauce right there. Damn. Giving away that free chicken like it's nothing.
Midgard's intraday, right?
Mhm.
Yes. Guys, intraday isn't an issue if you know how to trail your stops correctly. I made $200,000 on Apex, right? I TPT 200 verified. So I have $100,000 verified payouts from Apex, but not all of it was intraday. Only 55,000 was intraday. But TPT, I've withdrawn just about 200K, and they have intraday during their buffer also. Intraday is not hard if you just manage your shit. Also, we're in pure chop, so I don't see anything. So
I
maybe
was
I'm-
confused looking at wealth charts. I thought you got your prop and then wealth charts was free. I mean, if you log into the prop, it should be. I don't know if you're trying to use like other features, maybe. But I haven't had any issues with wealth charts logging into OmniProp, being able to use everything. Yeah, if you buy your account and choose wealth charts, it's free. Yeah, exactly, PZ. Yeah, as long as you have a wealth charts account, you should be able to log right in and use wealth charts. Unless you're looking for like premium features, then that's a different thing, which they do have. I think this 38 level, 39 level, or the 40 level just bounced hard off of it. 39 have a 1 minute level, clean bounce right off of it.
Logan, you're crushing it with payouts. Mind I
Right.
ask, what does that translate for your net for the month? I'm hoping to get my spending on evals under control. I've been on top of my shit. Well, this month, okay, so this month is an exception because I rotated to 150Ks. So this month I spent probably around 5K. Let's just highball and let's say
Not
10K.
bad.
But I'll withdraw $100,000. So 10 to 1.
Cool. ROI, very good.
Yeah. 10 to 1 ROI.
And let's put this into perspective, right? Like my month so far is close to 20. I think I've spent 800 on props, maybe.
And for anybody who like fucking says Logan buys 1,000 fucking accounts, really? Okay, well look at this. Let's see what number do my Midgard payouts say? So if you guys remember, my first 5, right, were 50Ks. My second 5, right here, my second 5 were 150Ks, which means I probably had 10 accounts, right? There you go.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
technically that doesn't do you guys justice because that's just funded. That doesn't mean I could have gone through 100 evals. So that's not fair. That's not accurate. I got to look where I can find that and I'll show you guys. But
Yeah,
my
Aaron, see,
ROI
okay, look what this is something I've been seeing a lot on social media lately, man. I just heard somebody saying not to waste mental and psychology on evals. So he gave us a strategy and he said, choose a side where you think the price is going to go and do 8 contracts, put a 2,000 stop and then 1,500 take profit. Like that's the issue, right? Is you're going to take a 2K loss versus $100 loss, right? Trying to make the same amount. Like that logic is so stupid when these people go in and say, don't waste your time and breath on evals, right? I'd rather lose $2,000 in the blink of an eye than lose $100 in the blink of an eye. Like think about that, especially if you're new,
Okay,
It's just the
Why-
dumbest thing ever.
I talked about this so many times. Guys,
Yeah,
you
no,
guys-
these people
you're
don't listen.
so- Yeah, we are habitual creatures. You need to
Oh shit!
practice how you play. You need to practice how you play. If you're not treating your evals how you would your funded or your live accounts, you're gonna build bad habits.
Yes, yes, yes. Merge chat. There we go. Yep. And I've been riddled. Like again, I look through a lot of social media content, and I get riddled with these guys coming in. Props are a waste of time and a waste of money. Just put in $100 in your live. You can't fucking trade $100 on the live account. That's how I know half of these guys don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Even if you're trading $500, right? One micro. What are you gonna do with that? One micro, slowly grinding. You're gonna make more potentially, and especially if you're doing practicing on an eval potentially than a $500 live account.
Jackson Moore, how about some trading?
Yeah.
Just feeling like
What do
being
you mean
a
some
dick.
trading?
I'm in the mood to just
I
be
already
an asshole.
I already called 2 levels of holding. The 40 bounced twice. The second time bounced for what, 35 points? The first time I caught a nice little 25-point ride. All right. But here's the thing, right? Nobody listens. Nobody hears when I say I want to see this area hold. Everyone just wants to hear people say, okay, I clicked the button. Right. I know
Yeah,
you do that. You did that fairly well, bro. Like I'm in, right? I just call out levels. I'm not
I don't see
gonna
any.
be like, I'm in. I test levels. And if it guess what? If my level is broken by 5 or 10 points, I'm out. It's that simple. Right? I'm controlling my size. Ooh, whoa. I control my size and I just click the buttons, right? Just like the lizard, you know? Click, click, click. Push the button. Logan's sharing his chart today, guys. Logan's sharing his chart today. There you go. Right, Reaper, buy, sell, sell, sell. Like, that's it. It's that simple for me. I'm a support and resistance guy. Like EMA, support resistance levels. That's me in a nutshell. There's that push to 87. We made the push to 87. Now just skyrocketing, testing the top of orb and that 96 level. This level needs to be broken by a 2-minute candle. 2-minute candle needs to close. I also have a level at 28,005 and then 28,010. Above that, there's room. Above that, there's room all the way up to 28,043 and then 46. So 2-minute needs to hold above 87. There was a little pullback. And now we're trapped between 87, 28,005, top of orb. So much to look at up here.
Print through 10. Print through 10. 28,010. I'm getting in. And I'm going to go for 30 points. Let's play it safe. What do I got?
SPX has a lot of. SPX has room to 74.47.
Yeah, I'm going to go for 30 points. But it needs to print through 10.
Here. Will you hold on top of orb? Will you break these levels here? Ooh, it's pulling back. All right. Somebody's asking me what EMAs. I shared my 2 favorite old EMAs before Quantum in the course. I already see people using them very well. But the Quantum action lines are unique. But I treat them the same as I would EMAs, regular EMAs. Just they create the levels for me as well. So that's a bit of a difference.
As far as profit goes, is anyone doing as well? Yeah, Hobby, Lama, everybody. You're talking about my students? I have 2 students who message me privately who do very well. I don't know. They don't like to. I keep telling them to show off, but they don't feel comfortable doing it. And then I have some students who are doing very well. I have one student who's at like 30K, 30 or 40K this month. I think he messaged. I forgot which one it was. He messaged in the student channel. I have a few students who are doing very well.
Yeah, you got a few. Rob M's a killer. Trader X. So we should assume you're taking every level that you call out. No, Trader, you never assume, right? What's that saying about when you assume, right? You make an ass out of you and me, all right? You never assume anything unless you are looking at what? What do I look at, right? I look at confluences. Dom. I look at the Dom. I look at the trend. I look at the quantum candles. Right? I want to see what it's going to do at those areas if it's potentially going to reject or not. There's a few things.
8-10.
You never want to assume.
We print through this 10, guys. I'm going for 30 points. Wait. Wait. We're testing it. Wait. All right, I'm in.
This is going. I
Here we
want to
go.
see the retest of 2805. But this is looking good, bro. It's got a lot of room up. You can absolutely get what you're
Good
looking
stop
for.
loss is under this previous candle is a good stop loss, right? And you guys want to shoot for like the 40s. You want to shoot for 40.
Yeah, it's got room to get up there too. But I want to see this 2805 break and retest. And again, right, the guy that said, "Oh, we assume that you take every trade." Remember what my bread and butter is: the break and retest, break and retest, break and retest, break and retest, break and retest. BNR. So here's the break. Here's a little bit of a retest. Now, can you get a push? Stop will be below 994 if this is going to be the way I play it, at least. So the bounce, not super strong yet. This could absolutely come down and retest a little bit more. The 2 minute could retest all the way down to 86. The 1 minute, I want to see it if the 1 minute's in charge. And we still have that 15-minute level as well at 996 that has not broken yet. Still a few things that could happen here, but let's see. You get a nice follow through.
We're just sitting at my entry. We're not really moving.
Yeah.
There we
No,
go.
yeah,
Boom.
there you go.
There we go. Give me 40. There we go. Keep going.
Yep.
Keep going.
I took it with you, bro. I took it on that retest. I already got my 10. Now I'm seeing if we can continue to go.
Yep.
Dylan DeLong from that 23 bounce. Nice, Mr. Bones. Yep, that 23 bounce was a strong bounce. Almost 100 points, Mr. Bones. Hell yeah. See, Mr. Bones, listen. Mr. Bones got good ears. Then that 39, I called that 39-40 area a couple times. Quantum Gang sees it. That 23, 39. We had a level created at 66 that also bounced, and then you had your break and retest of each level. All right, she's just retesting this whole area. She could get, again, rangy here a little bit. I'd love to see it. There you go. Come on, push up. That was a nice wick and flick right there. Wick and flick.
There we go.
Whoosh,
We've already secured
whoosh.
at least 10 points. Keep going. See what else we got. I like these wicks. They're favorable. But I want that push. We got a good amount of room up here, so there's no reason we shouldn't keep going.
I do. Yeah. I only trade micros, Tad one. Only micros for me. That was one of my very big rules when I made my turnaround was no more minis. No more minis. Yeah, we're just retesting this whole area. That 996, we need a 15-minute candle closure above 996. So would not be surprised if we start getting rangy. Yeah. Gotta look for a higher low somewhere. So there's that pullback I was looking for.
I'm out. I am out. I am out.
My runners got trailed out on that pullback. I want to see if this 996 area is going to hold on the next, we still got 7.5 minutes left. So I'm going to eyeball it as we approach this 15-minute candle closure at 3:15. But if this uptrend is going to continue, I mean, this could pull back quite a bit. That's the only issue. This could pull back quite a bit if it fails to break back over 28.10. But we just bounced off of this 2-minute zone. But if it breaks underneath 27.99, we have room to test all the way at 966. That's quite a drop. But I want to see this 996 hold. That's what I want to see, that 996 hold on the next 15-minute candle closure. So it still has time. Let it cook a little bit. Let it breathe. Let it do its thing. If it's going to bounce down and bounce all the way back up. It's going to go for it, I think. It's going to go for that 66. SPX has 74.38.57, 74.37.34. Trump is talking right now, Reaper. Man, Trump needs to just chill a little bit on Power Hour. Is he always talking about Power Hour? I mean, it's not bad. There's that push down to almost 766. I'm gonna see if there's a reaction. Yeah,
That's not strat 6. That's a complete reversal. That's not a strat 6.
that's not strat 6, no, guys.
That's a full-on reversal. Yeah.
I want to see what it does at 766. I want to see if it reacts at all there. If it gets down there, we just hit 76. It makes it down to 66. That's where I want to see where if we get a reaction there or not. Looks like it's already kind of bouncing here. Ooh, no, 2 minutes trying to turn purple here. So they're trying to kind of step in and push it down a little further. SPX also gave a golden MVG. What are you going to do here at 74.37, 34? SPX is really close to testing that level. I'd love to see NQ kind of test that 766. But I would like to see a reaction there if possible. There it's going. Trying to. Ooh, 3-bar down to it. She's struggling to fully push below. Man, don't flip already. I want to see the 766 get tested. If she flips here, this could be your higher low potential. If it flips here, I'd love to see 766 get tested. SPX did test the level. So NQ's kind of following suit right now. Well,
I ordered an energy drink called Goth Girl Spit.
Goth Girl, what? Wait, for real? Wait, they make a drink called Goth Girl.
I knew you'd like that. I knew you'd like that. I'm not even kidding.
No way, for real.
So I also ordered 5 boxes. I ordered 5 boxes.
Damn, Logan loves that Goth Girl spit. Dude, that sounds so crazy to say. Yeah, it's like, what's your favorite drink? Goth Girl spit. Oh my god, look at that shit.
It's a veteran owned, so it's a veteran owned company. So veterans own it, obviously, and it's an energy drink. So I was like, yeah,
that's
I was like,
a blend of a.
Yeah, I was like, veteran owned, and it's an energy drink, and then it just happened to be called Goth Girl Spit. I was like, sign me up.
Literally, the creator of that. Oh shit! I zoomed in. The creator of that is like you and Aniki. Somebody that's you and Aniki.
Right. If Aniki and I made an energy drink, yeah. Obviously, yeah, it's not actually Goth Girl Spit, guys. It's just the name of the flavor. It's probably just like tastes like cherry. I don't know.
Goth Girl Spit might taste like cherry, right? Got that flavored tongue ring. Who knows? Who knows what kind of shit they make nowadays?
I haven't found it yet. It sold out instantly. So I got an email like, "Yo, Goth Girl Spit out." I'm ordering 5 boxes.
Yo, Teddy Wop's got a great business idea. We need that Goth Mommy milk. That's gonna be their next brand. Goth Mommy milk.
I don't think there's any
does
moms.
The body good.
You should start your
I mean, eventually drink. Goth girls become moms, right?
I really should start my own energy drink company.
Oh yeah. Can't be that hard. Just put a bunch of caffeine, mix it with
Goth girls are moms already. So
yeah, there you go. See?
I don't know any moms that are goth girls.
Do they ungoth themselves when they become moms?
I feel like that. Yeah, I feel like that's what happens.
They ungoth themselves. Be careful shorting it. It isn't an uptrend, but 760. I'm waiting for this 966 to get tested.
Did you reset a blown funded or start over with the eval? Always start with an eval. What is a golden MVG? It's an MVG that's golden.
Yep. If you have the NVG indicator, it'll automatically print it, but that's something that you learn from the Maxtermind. Max also taught it in my course as well, day 2. He went to town, like all you guys went to town on your guest courses.
So excited to get this.
NVG, that's golden.
So excited to get this energy drink.
Yeah.
I think there's a goth girl who's moved into my apartment.
Oh shit. Logan's on the prowl. He's on the prowl. He's gonna be like,
Goth girl's also very big. I don't know if she's a goth girl. She was just a girl who was in gym clothes,
Very white?
heavily tatted gym girl. And I was like,
okay. She looks like a walking corpse. That's also a goth girl.
no, she's just a gym girl in tattoos. Why does that make her a corpse?
They gotta be like paley white.
No, dude.
For me, goth girls have to be like, they have to look like Wednesday. with tattoos and piercings.
I mean, I guess I don't know, dude. I know
And
so
listen
many
to Super
trans.
Stick.
I know Latino
And
women
Disturbed.
that are. I know Latino women that are heavily tattooed that you could consider goth. I know black chicks that are heavily tattooed that you consider goth. There's no race. It doesn't have to be a pale white chick. There's no race. It's just all black, heavily tattooed sometimes.
And they have to have black hair. They have to have black hair.
Yes.
Like you cannot have a goth girl, redhead, or black.
No,
black hair.
I've seen. Well, yes, kind of. Usually.
Yeah.
Usually.
See, Wednesday, right? The girl, what's her name? What's the girl's name that plays Wednesday?
Jenny
She's
Ortega,
like
I think.
Jenny Ortega. There you go. Right? She's the Latina goth girl. That's what you would see them as. Look pretty.
Logan, you should go for the BBW. I'm good on that, dude. Ew.
Jenny 16. A goth Latina, there's a lot of them in Maryland. I'll say that. There's a lot of goth Latinas in Maryland. A lot. I know she's there. I'm ready to die every single day. Not really. How do I know that? Because I grew up in Maryland. Like my high school was literally like all the Latinas were like half goth.
The problem is in my high school, like the goth people were just fucking weird. They were just weirdos.
Oh,
You know
yeah,
what I
they're
mean? Everybody who was goth, they were just fucking weirdos. Like my idea of goth girl was way different than what I saw in high school. It was just the fucking weirdos. You know what I mean?
The weirdos.
It was like, yeah.
Oh,
Careful with
just
what
at
interests you
57,
share in here.
I
Erica
took
might be looking around and stay gothing out with tats for you.
She might. That's right. Now she's gonna go. She's gonna go paint her skin white, get some
I'm
tats.
good on that. I'm not interested in being a
ears.
stepfather. I'm good on that. You probably had emo chicks instead of goth. Yes, that's probably what it is. You're right. Two different types.
Oh, that's
There
right.
you go.
The
Emo and
emo
goth are different.
chicks.
You're right. You're right. That makes
Forgot
sense.
about the emo chicks.
You're right. Emo is definitely different than goth. Yeah. Emo's like, yeah. Emo's like, I don't bathe regularly. Like, I hate my life. Fucking, yeah. How do you feel about clown girls? It's a subset of goth girls?
What?
No.
What? What is a clown girl? Somebody put up an example. That's a dude there, Chops. That's a goth dude.
Yeah, that's a dude. And
That's a dude.
no.
Yeah. I learned about my Trandar pretty well that I could tell when there's a guy dressed up like a girl in Maryland. Me and my cousins, dude. Oh my fucking god, man! My cousins fucking was a hornbag. We used to drive around the ghetto part down there, known as Tacoma Park, Langley Park, and there would always be a corner where these dudes would be prostituting. I'm assuming. And you could tell they were fucking dudes, and my cousins were always like, Javier, turn around, man. I gotta go talk. I'm like, bro, they're dudes. They're fucking dudes. He's like, no, they're not. I'm like, yes, they are. And then I pull him up really close, and then I'll be like, okay, go ahead. And he'd be like, no, keep going, man, keep going. And I would stay there. I would just stay there and be like, no, you wanted this. Go get him. He hated my guts so bad. Yep. My Trandar was strong, Big Nick. It was a good Trandar. Very, very proud of it. Oh man. Good old days, man. Rest in peace to my cuz. So many good times back in the day. Oh yeah, the Fast and Furious shit, dude. That ride just opened up or soft opened. Oh, dude, I missed that fucking 66 bounce. No, I waited for 66 to get tested just to miss it. Anyway,
I
the
mean,
ride.
chokers probably now are for trans, but I think like when we were kids, like pre-teens, I remember when we were like 12, 13, like all the girls had those fucking neck things. All like, I remember when I was in like middle school. Maybe now it's for trans people only, but like back in
Wait, what neck things?
2000, fucking the early 2000s, I feel like all the girls were wearing those fucking neck things. It was a trend, yeah.
What neck things? Those like
They just had like this
band-looking
fucking,
things,
I
the
don't even know,
chokers?
chokers. Like, they were called chokers. It was just like this thing around
I
their
still
neck.
see people wearing those now.
Yeah, but apparently now it's for trans, which makes sense because they're hiding their Adam's apple. But like, obviously, when we were all fucking 12,
Oh,
14,
yeah.
that wasn't a thing
Yeah,
then.
well. Did anybody catch that 66 freaking retest? I was waiting for it and I got lost in the goth girl conversation. You got it, Flames. Good. Dude, I waited. I was waiting. I was like, I want to see the 66 get tested. And it just shot up fucking 24 points. 30 points almost.
I think Flames was saying that she had a choker on. She had chokers on. I think that's what Flames was saying.
Okay. I blame MTV. MTV. Dude, I did that goth that one time and I used a fucking trash bag. When I was staying at the in Hagerstown. You guys remember that? Where I used the trash bag to do the goth hair? That was like my first costume ever. Where I was like, I'm feeling dark today. Dude, my homemade costume. Oh, dude, that was fucking hilarious.
Logan as an emo is epic. Yeah, I'd beat the fuck out of myself if I looked like that.
No.
Shove that nerd in a fucking locker room. Fucking, look at this fucking nerd.
Oh my god, there it went for 30 points. There was that 66 bounce, dude. That thing had zero pullback at 66. It actually hit 64 on MNQ. It hit 65 on NQ. Just missed a beautiful retest there. Picture perfect retest of that level. God. Man. Well, hopefully somebody caught it. Hopefully somebody caught that. All right. On to the next. Caught that bounce Mexican with 20 micros. Damn, bro. You YOLOing accounts. Dude, I love that episode of South Park where they're all goth. That's one of my favorite episodes of South Park. When they do the dance, those other guys that do the dance, they're like, nice job, Meech. Guys YOLOing at freaking Power Hour is insane. Y'all crazy. Is this new Supergirl movie good? I never got to watch it. I'm gonna go watch Spider-Man though. I'm so pumped for Spider-Man. Been waiting for that movie for a while. And then obviously Doom. The Avengers Doom coming out at the end of the year.
Ew.
Is
Well,
that cop Lama? Half of you guys would tap that. I know you guys. Half of you guys will fucking tap that. Oh my god, look at this long.
Dude,
Oh.
I've seen the people at both events. I've seen the people at both events. 90% of dudes would tap it. 100%.
They would tap that. No, yeah, they wouldn't give a fuck if it had an ad sample. They would definitely do. Yeah, I agree with you.
It was so funny. There was like a group of girls I remember that were like, I'm gonna meet a man at the event. And I was like, yo, do you know like what most traders are? Like, I don't know what are you looking for like some guy who like has it all together and like is just like not degenerate, has his shit together, fucking not a weird fucking dude. Like, I don't know what these girls are thinking. Like, look at 99% of traders are fucking
We're all awkward.
goofballs. They're fucking either goobers or they're full blown degenerate scumbags. So like, I'm like,
Yep.
there's like 4 girls. I remember I'm gonna find somebody, and like, no, you're probably not.
Pedro, you especially, Pedro.
I'm
You
cracking no
especially.
remorse. Looking out the window. It's because she's got
somebody
the
asked
same.
why.
Oh, she's got more facial hair than you, Teb. That's why.
Yeah. Wait, Tem's got more neck beard, right? You can
Yeah, he's got
combine
more
the
neck
two. So you got to combine the two, and then you get the full fledged.
Shaved it. Good call. Good shit, Teb. Good.
Oh, you shaved the neck beard? No way. What do you look like now?
Good move.
I want to
Probably just
see.
look
I
like
want to see
old
no
dude.
neck beard, Teb. Yeah, he probably. That's what I'm saying. He probably just looks like some Chad out there. It's like he's not Teb. He's just Chad now. Somebody asked why I don't trade minis, even though I know like I'm not. I'm right a lot. It's about control for me. It's about self control. You know, I'm an emotional trader, guys. I'm emotional. I've made that clear. I go tilt when I see big red. I've also made that clear. So I don't like to see big red. I trade micros. That was my biggest weakness back in the day. I would see big red, immediately want to make a big green or green. Now I want to make a big green. That's how I was back in the day. That was my downfall. What a push off that 66 tap, like clean as hell. Right, for the Discord, anybody was wondering why I was looking for that 66 level, I'm about to show you guys the level. Right, you can see the 23 level. I know YouTube can see my levels.
Oh, fucking, you cut your hair too?
Oh, there he is. Oh shit, yeah, look at that. He looks like a Chad now, complete Chad. Okay, more like Brad, maybe. Maybe Brad. Bradley. Your name is now Bradley, Teb. Look like you could be like a firefighter named Bradley Thompson. Yeah. I feel like Teb used to look like a lot younger, but I can only see the back of his head, so it's kind of hard to tell.
I was looking at myself today, and I was like, dude, I look fucking. It's weird on camera. Like, I look old, but in person, I look even older. I was just looking at myself in the mirror. I was like, dude, what is happening? I look 45.
We're aging, bro. Oh yeah, dude, you're not even close to looking. You do look older. I'm gonna say you do look old. Flames, stop it. Okay, girls. Stop trying to get on Logan's good side for the you know what reasons, okay? He looks old.
Aniki, how old are you? Aniki, how old are you?
I think he's like
Go get facial. Go get facial. I'm like 2 months younger than Max.
Is he? Are you really?
So you're like 5 years older than me.
Dude, Aniki looks like he just turned 22.
No, he doesn't. He looks in his 30s.
Still no, being fat fills you in. I mean, he's chubby, okay? Aniki, you're chubby. You're like on the chubbier side, right? You're not in my level, right? Being fat fills you in.
Aniki's thinner. Aniki's thinner than most of the staff still.
Yeah, he is. I know he is.
Aniki, you're still
No,
thinner than most.
Aniki, I mean, you're like a fifth of me, but I'm just saying, right? Being chubby fills in, so we look younger, right? When I start to drop weight, I'm going to start seeing my wrinkles. I know it. Like when I dropped my weight the first time, but I had loose skin as well.
Oh, you're saying the
I
fluff
saw my
stretches it out?
yeah. It's like natural Botox, right? Just stretching it out, filling it in. But wait till I start losing weight. You're gonna start seeing my wrinkle. I'm gonna really start looking my age. I'm gonna really start
looking
looking
my
my
30s next year. Time flies.
Are you big? You're big boned, Emma. Aniki big boned.
I gotta start a family soon, dude. I got fucking.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
Oh yeah, I had my first kid I had my son. I was 28, 29. Dude, I can't do math right now.
No, I'm gonna do IVF anyway. I'm gonna do IVF.
I was 29.
Anyway. I'm gonna do IVF regardless, so I'll be fine.
Just adopt us, says Aqua Show.
Don't
Adopt
do it with
us.
the wrong person. Yeah. MOT Fitness Challenge. I had my kid at
Each
16
MOT
year
has
late.
their own coach. That'd be interesting. I mean, Llama's already way ahead of all of us. Like Llama got his shit together. He lost some weight. He needs to find a coach for his face to get that fat around his face out, or surgery. He's gonna hate me.
What the fuck is that? That's disgusting.
I need to find a coach that makes my stomach not look like melted ice cream. Wait, what? Wait! What the fuck? What the? Hell no! What is that even made for?
Fucking cleans you out.
Hail to the no! Never. I'd rather just get blocked up than to ever
Yeah, right.
get into
I'm good. I'd rather just
no.
fucking. I'd rather just fucking
I'll
be
just
filled
implode.
with. I'm good on that.
Yeah, I'll let myself implode. I don't give a damn. I'm not getting on that
Yeah,
shit.
dude, yeah. I'll die. I'll die.
Yep. Dude, these levels are leveling right now. 66 health. We created a new level of 89. Just bounced off of that. Now we got a bet
Heavy
at
PhD level here.
2802.
Test. About to catch this
Failed
rip.
bearish move here. Yeah, it's looking decent, dude. Again, man, you got to be careful with these pullbacks coming in, but this is looking decent. Might be gearing up. What time is it? Oh, we got MOC in. This was 3:30 volume. We got MOC in 20 minutes still. The 1 minute level is all the way at 2869. Below that, we got 2802, 2789, 27966. There's a bunch of levels below.
It's a hydrocolon therapy cleanse. You don't need to add therapy
thank
in front
you.
of it to make it justified and like it's fucking
Yeah.
normal. Just because
No.
somebody puts therapy in front of one doesn't mean it's
No,
fucking
thank
it
you.
works. No, that's some. I'm not gonna say it, but because I'm on YouTube.
Yep. Because you know what? I don't. Yeah, if you put therapy in front of that, you're gonna need therapy for that therapy, right? To get the colon
Right.
therapy, then you need
Right.
emotional
I had to
therapy.
use that. If I had to use that, I would need real therapy afterwards.
Yeah, exactly. Oh man. Hell no.
I like therapeutic rim jobs. Okay, Eddie. Sounds good, dude. What do you say, buddy?
Man, whatever you're into.
Oh, J Holes. That's where you draw the line. That's where you draw the line, J Holes. You're gonna say what the fuck, man, brother? Come on.
Yeah, dude.
That's where he draws the line.
We found Jay Hooley's line. You're right.
That's gay. That's crazy.
Yeah, for Jay Hooley to say that.
That's crazy, dude.
Oh man, we found Jay Hooley's line. That's fucking hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, let's see what we got going now. Let's see where we're gonna test. So we're testing that 28,002 right now. Below that would be again 2789.
Guys, podcast today featuring AJ, the CEO of Lucid. 5
Ooh.
p.m. in an hour and a half. Traders and Haters podcast. CEO of Lucid, talking about all types of stuff.
Oh, she's bleeding through it. We're retesting top of orb as well. She still needs to close. It's about to get sandwiched. We're sandwiched again. We're sandwiched 2811, 28002, and then 2789. It's getting sandwiched. AJ add Lucid to well charts. Damn it. That'd be cool. Let's see. What kind of experience have you had and how long have you been doing this? I'm Paul. Oh, that's a question for Paul. Look at Paulin getting interviewed. Should I first watch all the videos on YouTube you guys have before buying the course? You can watch us, Bernie, and get an idea of right how our trading
Guys,
style is.
if you guys DM me, whether it's on any of my socials or here, talking about like my course or like why you should buy the course or if you should buy the course, I'm be honest with you, I'm not going to answer. No part of me ever is going to like respond to DMs like a salesman. I don't.
Yeah,
You
I'm
either
the
you don't.
same.
Either you don't. I'm not the type of person to try and pitch it to you. It's just it's not that's not who I am.
Yeah,
I don't want to try and
yeah,
sell you. I don't care that much to sit there and try
yeah.
and convince you.
You either like our style and want to learn from us, or you don't. It's that simple. It's literally that simple. I'm the exact same way, man. Like I get these messages from I don't know who, always asking, yeah, what makes what can you tell me that makes that would make me buy yours versus this one? I'm like, whatever style fits your best. That's it. Like that would be
Dude,
my answer. It's
I'm not trying to sell them stuff. Like
yeah. I'm not gonna say buy because of the no. It's
how
we
has
display our
Midgard treated you
things every
two?
day.
I mean, Midgard's they treated me all right.
I have yet to. I literally just passed my first account today, so I have yet to fully engage with them. But Logan and Max have both gotten payouts from them, and fat payouts
Yeah.
at that. So
You
that's
tell me
a
what you
great
think about-
sign.
What do you think about that? You just
Yeah.
tell me what you think about that. That'll tell you right there.
All right, we're testing that 89 now. 5-minute pushing.
They
We're
paid me
down
out $40,000 today. That's what they did. $40,000 paid out instantly in the bank. You want to see something? You want to see something? I'll pull up my bank account
right
right
down
now.
to the next level.
I'll pull up my bank account right now, and I'll show you. I'm not going to show you how much is in my bank account, but I'll pull up my bank account right now. How do I fucking do this?
You'll be careful what you show, bro. This will be on the internet forever. Damn, this thing is just melting right now. Below 65, then will be 27,939. One of these levels is going to be where MLC is going to hold. So I'm going to be watching and seeing where.
Fuck.
Just plowing through everything. Blah, 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 blah.
I know what to do. See that?
There you go. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Yeah.
40,000 into my bank account right there.
All right, broke the level. Well, we see a retest and then a pull down to 27,
Oh shit! Wait, this is an entry.
939.
Wait, this is an entry. This is an entry. Wait, no, it's not. Fuck! Well, I'm in. Fuck it. Fuck! I just realized there's a level in the way. I'm in the short though.
No, it's not looking bad, dude. Like this is, I'm looking for that
All
push
right,
down. Right now.
TP. Let's go
Whoa.
for fucking. Fuck.
That next level that has to break
30.
for me is
Go for 30.
27,939.
Let's go for 30.
Oh
There's a
man,
level.
yeah, 30 would be okay-ish.
Fuck. No, I got a level right here. I wasn't paying attention. Fuck it. We're going for 30.
27,932 is a 5-minute level. Then below that, we need to break underneath 920. Make a lower low potential. This thing is retesting everything it just broke through. The 5-minute is kind of setting up, so I want to see what it does here though, because I'm waiting to see where we're going to rest for MOC. like to see it eventually rest at one of these levels. The 5-minute level has also been playing out for MOC lately. We still got about 12 minutes, 11 minutes or so.
I mean,
Let's see.
I should just close it out while I'm in profit.
I mean, yeah, definitely like trail it in profit, maybe.
What is this? I entered at 56. Let's go to 40. Let's do 41. Stop loss. I'll make it just 10 points.
Yeah, the retest areas can be quite deep if this pulls above 60. We could see 72, 83, and 89 retest.
All right,
Those
I'll
are the
trim
three
at
retest areas.
41 before this level, and then let's have some fun and let's go to 30.
Ooh, which goes.
All right, wait, almost. It just missed my TP. What? It says it hit, but it's not hitting. Hit.
See what
Excuse
she
me.
does here.
Excuse me. Is this not a fucking TP hit? Am I fucking losing my mind right now? Look at this.
It hit freaking 41 right now.
I mean, that's not. It didn't trim my profits.
Oh wait, let me zoom in. It looks like it hit 41.50. Dude, it just dude, it literally ticked you by 50 cents.
We're gonna go down. We're good. I actually like the short might play out. We'll see.
I think you
I'm
hit
just gonna go
41
for-
on the dot.
Yeah, it fucking literally. All right. Well, I'm gonna like I
You
said,
hit-
once
you
it
hit
gets to
41 on the
41,
dot.
I'll trim. We'll take 15 points. Oh, this is looking
Let's see
good.
this.
Let's do
2-minute
41 and
freeze right
31.
here.
Go for 15 points. After I hit 15 points, I'll move remaining contracts into profit. And then we'll go for 31. So we'll go for 25 points. But it's respecting. This is why I didn't want to get in the short. This is why I didn't. This is why I fucked up, because I saw this. I didn't see this fucking level right here. I thought I had room.
Yeah.
Clearly I don't. We're bouncing right off of it. That's why I didn't
Looking at potentially 80 or 78 to get retested if it pulls above that 60. And then I would want to see 78 reject. If it does get up there though. Ideally we would want to see this 2-minute 3-bar play out. And then we could get that move down.
Just give me 41.
It's gonna be interesting right here, man. Yeah, that's a huge time getting edge, JB. He got edge big time there. That kind of edge always ticks me off every single time. It's like it should have taken it. SPX has
Did you
room
get
to
your money from
continue.
Alpha? No, I did not get my money from Alpha. Yeah, Rob, I was showing off my fucking payout today, and then I fucking saw a short, and I thought I got a signal, and it was retarded. But we'll see. We're in profit.
This might go to retest, man. This might go retest up there.
66 is my stop loss.
Yeah, there she goes. She's gonna go retest. See if big if she doesn't manage to pull all the way up to that 78 area, then there's a good signal that's going to be a strong rejection. It's kind of already
like
kind of
that
like a
wick.
flip on here. Yep.
I like that wick. Hold. 26 seconds though.
Yep.
There we go.
Nice.
There we
Yep,
go.
nice.
You're right there.
It's
Right there.
edging the fuck out of you, man.
Just fucking hit TP.
Edging
Yeah.
the hell out of you.
This
Right
is
now.
literally why I didn't want to take the short, because of this fucking level right here.
Yep. MOC is in 7 minutes. So we're sitting. This is again, we could get trapped here. This is where we're sitting on this bed of levels. If we fail to break these levels, there's a high chance it's going to go up from here. If it cannot break through 39, 32, and 23. So it's got quite a bit to test for a push down than a push up, but we're already getting that little push up here. So this is what I'm looking at. If we continue to sit around here for MOC, this is what I'm looking this area to hold. I would love to see him get his TP first though. And then just kind of hover. We still got 6 minutes left, so still got time to make some moves.
All right, you know what? No.
SPX trying to form a new level.
Let's go for. I'm going for a 2-to-1 or multiple. I'm bringing it down. Fuck it. TP at 36. TP at 36, and then TP at 26. We're going for a 2-to-1 or multiple. I want 20 points. 20-point TP, 10-point stop loss. I'm either getting it or I'm not.
Looks like this is where we're chilling. We got about 5.5 minutes for MOC, so this is where we're hanging out for now. That 32 would be the 5-minute level for MOC. We're about to get trapped in another 5-minute level above at 78.
It's respecting this fucking level so much. What's going on here? Don't worry about it, Lucaris.
L'Aquarius?
Logan, you need more goth girl spit? I know, that's why I ordered 5 boxes.
Ramon is saying it's a 786 as well at 9:45.
Perfect. Thank you, Ramon, for that. So now it's going to dump.
He's just whipping back and forth through it. So far, the wicks are closing above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different closures above. Like I said, I would love to see it kind of hang out as close as possible to this for MOC.
Go. There's the 41. Give me 36. Give me 36.
Get it. Dude, I want it to give it to you, man. Then I want to see this area hold for MOC. I want to see it give you your TP, test 32, and just hang out down there. I want to see it hang out around 32. Right, here's your 38.
We got it, boys. We got it, boys. Bang. TP hit. 2-to-1 arm multiple. Beautiful. Next trim is 26. Move all contracts into profit. There we go. 20 points. Boom, boom, boom.
All right. What time is it? We still got time, dude. We still got time. It could absolutely keep going. MOC is still in 3 minutes, so still has time for
profit. All contracts in profit. Next trim is 26. Look at this. We got a 30-pointer coming. We are green now from that last trade. Beautiful work. That's what I'm talking about.
All right. Here we go. Here's that 32. 23 is the next level below that. So if we can just hang out here for MOC, that'd be great. If it breaks below, then
remaining stops are at 53.25.
There's that 32 reaction.
Appreciate you.
Okay, we got about 3 minutes, almost 2 minutes left. That 32 kind of holding off. So we got 32 and 78 on the 5-minute. So if it holds 32, it could push up to test 78. And if it rejects at 78, we come back down. So I want to see kind of a push up to 78 from here.
And my trails, make sure all your trails should be in profit. My trails are a few points in profit, my remaining contracts. And route. We're done. I'll take it.
I took a little ride there with a few micros on that 32 test. Pushed up to 51 so far.
We're going to full port the shorts for MOC. All right?
Oh, be careful, brother.
Full porting shorts for MOC.
I would full port at 78 if it rejects 78. For now, if this holds up here, we're going to push up to 78 or 70. So I have 3 micros running. We got about a minute and a half. I will look at a short around 78, Juanito, if it gets up there. But right now, I'm looking for this 32.40 area to hold. Push up and then reject if it's going to reject 78. About a minute left. Unless she breaks underneath 32. If she breaks underneath 32 and 23, then definitely the shorts. For now, we're holding above this whole area. I would expect some sort of a little test up to test some of the, maybe that 78 level. Let's see, we got
time we
1
got
minute left.
Yeah, left.
1 minute.
Full port
1
shorts.
minute. Nick the Lesbian, I'm in. 4 evals. All in your hands. I'm playing for that push up to 78 first. I'm trailing my stops already. I'm up to 10, 15 points on these runners still. From that 32
Everybody likes
test.
All right, dudes. Fine.
There goes. All right.
Fine.
Looking at 78. 78. If it rejects here, I'm trailing already. So let's see if it pushes up to test and then rejects. But I'm already in the green. I'm going to keep it green. All right, 3, 2, 1. It's already close. Be careful. There was that test. All right, that didn't pull all the way up. I got trailed out on one right there. I trailed it close. Hit that little push up. Did not hit
Drop,
78.
Drop.
So be careful.
We're up 500, 600, 700 points. 700 points. $700.
4,700 points. Like, whoa.
Go.
If it breaks 40,
Go.
I'll be interested.
Go. Drop.
I got one runner left. That little pop up to
Drop.
60. That was it.
Drop. Putting all contracts in profit. I'm not giving away any of this.
Yeah,
Giving all contracts in
be
profit.
careful here. I got my last runner running just to see if we hold that 40. If it breaks underneath, my runner will be out. And then I want to see. There goes. Runner's out. All right.
Fuck you, want to fake me? Fuck you. No.
Hey, I faded you a little bit. Got that little. I ate a little bit. I hit the
No,
log
you were
at
already in the
33
trade,
though.
though. You were different. You were already in
Yeah.
the trade. Yeah, you were already in the trade. But all these people like, oh, I'm going to go long. Fuck you.
Hopefully they didn't go long heavy. All right, that 40 broke. Now I'm interested if we can hold below 40 though. I want to see this retest and a hard rejection and then a pull through. But that is not a rejection right there at all. Ooh, okay, she's getting wiki here. I want to see a hard rejection at this 40.
Nick, how'd
23
you do?
is the next area.
I'm still in this short. I'm going to trim.
Oh, yeah. I don't like
I got my contracts.
I don't like it
pulling them down. Pulling down.
I don't like it unless it holds below 40 and breaks 23.
Yeah.
I'm kind of rooting for you.
I'm good. I'm green as fuck right now. I'm moving all contracts, just trailing slowly. Next trim is going to be 30. I'm joking. I didn't full port. Good job, man.
What did that wick hit? That wick hit what? 59.50. Okay, there you go. Come on.
Fuck it. I'm pulling my stops down. TP's down. We're going to 21.
Fighting 40 right now, but it really needs to start rejecting that 40.
30 points. Stops. All contracts are in profit, but we're going to do a TP at 21.75.
23.75 is that next level it needs to break. But this 40, it's just bouncing back and forth around it, and it's not showing strength on either direction.
I'm going to pull my stops above the previous candle.
Look at this. This is not moving at all. Earnings are in 8 minutes. Which earnings? Who's
I don't have any big earnings today.
earnings
Wednesday,
today?
Thursday are the big earnings.
Yeah, that's what
All
I'm
right,
I don't
I'm
remember
out.
seeing big earnings.
We're out. What's up, Kathy? How you doing? Long time.
Kathy's back. All right. I may or may have not re-entered at that 30-32 retest from earlier because I said fuck it.
Or Shiv in succession.
But I'm just doing DGen shit right now, guys. I'm not like MOC was kind of again. I remember tomorrow's FOMC, y'all. Okay, MOCs before FOMC tend to be I used to say lackluster. You remember when I used to say they're lackluster.
I don't know what that means, Steph. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know what. I'm guessing Secession is a show, and you're talking about two people. Oh, my
Oh, shit.
story had Secession. I don't. I just picked a random song on my story. Yeah.
Well, that 32 level just fed me a little bit. Oh, yeah, baby. That 32 level just fed me a little bit. It held earlier. It just held again. And oh, I got these two runners going. About 16 points up right now. There's almost 20. Oh, there's 20. That 32. Holy shit. I just got two runners running on that 32 retest. All right, here we go. I love my levels to hold. Until it broke below those, I was not going to short it. I'm up 30 points right now after that 32 test. There's 33, 35. There's 43 points. I don't know if anybody was brave enough to test that 32 level again, but I took that. Had to take it, dude. All the way up to 78. There's the 78. Ripping right through it. Yeah. That was a 5-minute level. 5-minute level to level right there. That's all it was. Here's the Discord. Let me take the screenshot so you guys can see those levels. I'm pretty sure you guys saw it earlier when I was sharing it. Right? Just levels. MOC is all about levels. Holy shit, look at that 78 rejection. It closed above it and then broke through. Oh my God. I did not catch that. I did not catch that though. It broke that level and then just dumped. Damn. I did not catch that. I caught that right all the way up 78, trailed it super close. Holy fucking shit. And we went right back down to 32. Look at that wick, guys. Right back down to 32. Look at that wick right off of 32.
Oh shit.
Look at that dump at that level. And then that wick off of 32. Wow. Good, Brett. Yeah, always, and always like again, right? I trail close for a reason, especially near levels, because of that.
Flames, are you trading on Rhythmic? You know you can set it up to wealth charts, right? You're trading on Rhythmic? I didn't even want to try it. If I want to trade fucking with them again, I don't know. I just gave up because I was like, I'm not doing this anymore. I just cashed out.
Been trying to get on wealth charts for 2 weeks. Circus. That was crazy. I was -8, filled for 347 profit. Then I should have taken the loss. When I should have taken the loss. Huh, interesting. How did that happen, Sect?
Coulda, woulda, coulda.
Yeah. Congrats, you've been cooked.
Can't wait to get my
Sect,
golf
take
going.
that. Take that and run. do not play that again.
Can you ask Logan what kind of account he uses? I know Midgard, but what account type version? So all the emails are the same. And then I use dailies, which are called raids. I think.
Raids.
Yeah.
Kier Max, let's go Peshefata. Javi, how's living in Florida? It's so far we've gone to Disney 3 times since we moved, which has been fucking amazing. We went to there's a drive-through safari thing over here, like 20 minutes from us, that we also went to, which was freaking amazing. It's been great so far, other than the heat. I have not had a Publix sub yet. I am on a diet. Okay. I went to Publix already a couple times. Honestly, I mean, I haven't eaten anything from it, so I don't know. I really don't know. But I have pretty good control. When I have control, I have good control. Been eating a lot of lean beef, sweet potato, putting some dick fruit on that thing with a hot honey. That's been my favorite thing.
Hell yeah, dude. Hot honey?
Yeah, dude. Hot
Hell
honey's
yeah,
shit.
dude. Hot honey's my shit.
And he will say, "What? You heard me? Dick fruit. You don't know what that is." The hot honey hides the flavor that I don't want to taste.
Bro, just do olive oil so you don't have to do fucking avocado.
remember, we got a dick tree in our backyard. He sounds like the banana bread dude. Who's the banana bread dude?
Hot honey is crack, dude. Hot honey and Nashville
Yeah.
hot. Hot
Yeah,
honey
dude.
and Nashville hot sauce are the fucking bees fucking knees. I'll put that shit on everything, dude. Hot honey.
When
Yeah.
what are those? Anybody know those real good chicken strips? Oh my god, there's the of course I do the L zooms in. Those real good chicken strips, they're like protein and shit. All I gotta do is put that on. We bought some keto bread that's actually good. Put that shit with that honey. Fucking golden. Little chicken
Javi,
sandwich.
you know what you need to do when you're breaking your diet? I shouldn't tell you this. When you're breaking your diet,
Yeah. Oh, we're breaking this 32
Yes.
down, bro.
look at that short. Death by pizza.
Death by pizza.
I had 2 pizzas and a sub and an Oreo mud pie, and I shit my pants the entire next day, but it was delicious.
No way you shit your pants. Is
Not literally,
Ah.
but
yeah. I know what you mean. I know
If
you
I
mean.
eat junk food, if I eat a bunch of terrible food, it's just fucking. My body's like, nah, dude, that's not for you. It's delicious though. Death by pizza,
Ooh, man,
promise you.
if this
Wow,
closes up
bounced
here,
right off the 15. Look at the respect put
if
on
this
that.
closes up here, I might test this. I might test this long just because there's a 4 o'clock setup potentially presenting.
The
Potentially.
lady just told me, I watch you
But
trade
has
too
to
much.
close
'Cause that's-
above.
I watch you trade too much because that's Llama. Oh, she said. I said, no, baby, that's Hobby.
What? Oh no, I'm Lama. I am Lama.
Pretty funny when they
Despite
use.
the rumors that guy says he's not Javi, he is Javi. I am Lama. My name is Antonio Banderas, Antonio Lama. Felipe de la
Progressive
Cruz.
Appreciate that face shift.
Got some banana bread at work today, dude? Hell yeah. So it just goes to show that waiting for things is like worth it. But there's a lot of things.
Got the banana bread? Hell yeah.
Hell no. Scratching your eye, but it's still fucking itchy, dude? Hell no. The fucking Cubs, dude? Hell no. Like getting paid that amount of money, dude?
What? What is he talking about?
Yeah.
4 o'clock is Chop Central right now. Not liking anything. I wanted to see that retest hold and it bled right through it.
I agree.
Wait.
What ATR settings do you use? I don't change any settings on PHP. It is built perfectly by design. How much did your back piece cost? My back piece is famous. 1.2 million views. You know how much my back cost me? Take a guess how much my back would cost me in the United States. Take a guess. Take a guess.
20K.
10K to 20K, accurate. $3,000. My back, which is Instagram famous because of the quality of it, $3,000. Hell yeah. $3,000? Hell yeah.
Instagram famous.
20K? Hell no.
Oh,
Banana bread?
Instagram famous.
yeah.
Oh, is this thing just gonna chop around here or not? Look at this thing just back and forth, back and forth. Is it gonna make a new lower low? And then bounce right back up? Okay, I'm done. There was nothing really, anything special at 4 o'clock. A lot of hesitation, a lot of whipsawing back and forth.
1 spoon of Mad Honey. Good on that, dude. I'm not trying to trip nuts. Good on that. Hot honey, though? Hell yeah. Mad Honey? Hell no.
This is why you go somewhere Asia to get quality for the low.
Dude, people don't understand. If you're on a budget and you don't have money and you want things in life, go to Southeast Asia. Everything you can think of that you want, you can get in Southeast Asia. Everything. My veneers, high quality veneers. People think, wow, that dude's got great teeth because they look real. They don't look like the fake veneers. I've had these for 8 years. You know where I got them? Thailand. You know how much they cost me? $2,000.
And a boy. And a lady boy.
Wrong. It was an American doctor.
That was the cost.
Thailand also did my other arm. This whole arm was also $2,000, roughly. This arm, Bali. My back, Bali. Teeth, Thailand. Getting my whole rest of my body done in Bali. Right after the Blitz. VA 100% fraud? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Lou? Those candles are going crazy. YouTube, word of the day is...
It's going crazy, dude. This is raging so bad right now.
Word of the day is... Hell yeah. Hot honey? Hell yeah. Banana bread? Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Respecting the fuck out of this PHP 15-minute level. This is a triple stack level. This is a very, 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 very strong level. As soon as you see this level break and the candle turns yellow, get in that bitch. Promise you, you're going to catch at least 20 points. If this candle breaks through here and turns yellow, get in that bitch. Watch. Watch. There are ones lower. That is true. There are levels below. Fuck it. Triple stack. Who cares? I don't care. I don't care. Ask me if I care.
For me, it needs to either like break that 910 and hold. Oh shit.
Oh.
She's going as soon as I said that.
Oh. Hell yeah.
Yellow? Yellow dong? She just melted through that fucking 910. Pissing me off today.
Good job. Triple stack PHP? Hell yeah. Paid me 40K? Hell yeah.
They changed. There it is.
How long is this fucking?
This?
There we go. Winner is Hauser6996 on the YouTube. Congratulations, Hauser6996. Open up a support ticket. You got access to any indicator free for an entire week.
Another one.
Just past 4 Tritify accounts with that dump. Hell yeah.
Tritify?
Good shit, dude. They got rid of the micro scalping rule too for students of mine. You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, the seconds? They like got rid of the. What was it? 20 seconds?
Micro scalping gone? Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Bobby, what's the
I barely micro scalped, honestly.
Next word for
Next word for the YouTube. Oh man, let's do Chungus. I don't know why that word's been stuck in my head.
Okay.
Chungus.
Better listen to Logan and press that like button.
Raheem with the $5 dono. Better listen to Logan and press that button. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, Raheem, appreciate you.
Is that word allowed on YouTube? I mean, it's not a bad word. Is it?
I don't even know what fucking Chungus is. I really don't know what that is. Is that a bad word?
It was Fat Bugs Bunny.
I feel like it's just, it's just okay. Yeah.
It's just Fat Bugs Bunny. That's Chungus. I'll see how many people knew.
Uh, oh, Pedro's back. Pedro, how long do you think you're gonna last? Let's do it. Pedro, how long do you think you'll last until you get timed out again?
20 seconds.
He's 2 days in. Fuck you. And there he goes. All right. Well, see you, Pedro. You're fucking you're so dumb, bro. I just was asking you a question. Oh, I almost kicked you.
Oh, I told you 20 seconds.
I'll just give
That's
you one
clean.
day, Pedro. I'll be nice. I'll give you one day. Just one day. I'll be nice this time, dude. Just one day. I'm not gonna do a whole week. Buddy? Bro, come on. This dude. I don't understand, dude. What are you? I just asked you a question. You do this to yourself, my boy. At least I don't like. At least I'm not like a dick and I ban you. I just fucking time you out.
That's so good.
Don't allow you to talk.
That's so good.
All right, Abby. While we're waiting for the YouTube, let's get a random person up on from the Discord.
All right.
Number. Just give me a random number. You don't have to go through the whole thing.
Number? Okay. 115. 115.
Right now, 1, 2. Winner on the YouTube, Robbie Delaney, 7901. Congratulations. You want access to any indicator free for an entire week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You said 115?
Yeah, 115.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the guy that was like arguing with Max and Lama, I think. Tay! What are we, mods, what are we giving away? Are we giving away an account? Midgard accounts, I think?
Oh, yeah, I remember this guy.
We're doing Midgard accounts?
What's good? What's good?
What's up, Tay? How you doing, man?
Doing all right, man. Doing all right. Trading hasn't been going too well for me lately. It was the other day. Over trading. I just gotta take the small wins, you know?
Yeah. Easier said than done. We talk about this all the time. Trading is 99% psychology, right? 99% psychology. It's all in the brain, dude. It's hard. It's tough to take an L and walk away, and especially if you're on like a losing streak. It fucking sucks. I got students of mine who I yell at all the time, right? Because this month has been tough. Some of our strategies were at about a 50% win rate, which if you do the math, if you have a 2-to-1 R multiple, you're still up a couple thousand. But some people can't handle that psychology, right? Where you're taking that many losses. So it's tough, brother. But here's what we're gonna do. What have you traded with My Funded Futures before?
I believe I have, and I think it's because of you guys. I might have got one account. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get that set up. We're gonna have you open up a support ticket, and if you have or have not, if you have not traded My Funded Futures, we're gonna get you set up. Otherwise, we're gonna get you a Midgard account. And Midgard, all the evals are the same. So then once you pass it, you get to pick something like the dailies, like I did, which got me 40K. So either of them are great. I love both of them. My Funded Futures I've been pushed live with. I've pulled out tons of money from them. So they're both really good prop firms. But lock in, take it slow. I mean, you already know. You know what the problem is. Take it slow. You don't need to rush it, man. And you'll do all right. All right, man?
For sure. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you guys too.
All right, man. Talk to you later.
Later.
You reminded me of the other colored version of one of those twin guys from the Matrix for some reason.
Colored version. Is that what you just said?
Yes. Yep.
That's
I
gotta be
wanted to keep
racist.
it PG.
That's gotta be racist.
I'm trying to keep it.
Am I tripping? That's gotta be racist.
Just a little bit.
Other
Just
colored.
un poquito.
What? All right. Other colored. You couldn't just say white. Like I don't know if I'm supposed to be offended or if Black community is supposed to be offended. I'm not sure. I think as a consensus, all races.
I try to wiggle around it so it doesn't sound. Always make it worse.
I think
I
the white.
think
I think this is how we end racism between the white and the Black community is when something like what Javi said, where the other colored comes out. Crazy.
Oh man. Oh god.
I don't even know.
In my head, I'm like, it won't sound that. And then it comes out, and I'm like, you know what? You know what? It sounded worse. Oh man. Yep. But straight up, I kept looking at him and I kept thinking about those guys on the Matrix.
Gotta be racist.
But the other
It's gotta
color
be.
version.
That's...
Oh man.
On that note, decent power hour. I took a small L at the start, then we got a win, and then we fucked around and I full ported the short, and that hit also. And then there was that 20-point short there. Javi called out his trades. Good power hour. Guys, today in 45 minutes, Traders and Haters podcast with AJ from Lucid. You guys know what happens when there's a prop firm CEO? Tons of fucking giveaways. They're going to probably talk about some new shit being brought up. I know they're going to talk about the war on India that apparently Lucid has going on. It's going to be very fun. It's going to be entertaining. Lock in, watch it. With that being said, you guys know what to do. If you guys want to trade like Javi, with the Meistermind. You want to trade like me, you got the CSO Battalion. You got the Quantum. You got PHP. Javi's got, I don't know if your other indicator, I don't know. You can talk about that. And a bunch of other stuff going on. Check out our socials, guys. Check out our socials. I'm trying to grow my social media more. I'm trying to get to the point where I have a big enough social media following where I can start to offend people and other influencers and other traders. But nobody's going to care if I only have a couple thousand, right? I'm trying to be like bigger up there so I can point fingers and say, you're not a good trader. You're not real. You're a furu. So that's my goal. So help me get my following bigger so I can start calling out the furus, and then we can work as a team to take down the furus. With that being said, that's all I've got. Javi, what do you got?
Yeah, same. He said, go follow socials, guys. Go lock in and follow Logan on, so that we can get some little action on there. I think it'll be fun as hell to see him do that, honestly. Yeah, check out our YouTube, do all that fun stuff. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Make sure you guys tip the staff. Show your love to the staff. They're always doing the hard thing. And Logan mentioned, right, the it's called Gravity, which is technically the Saucebox indicator. It is in a soft release. Nothing major on it yet, right? I'm going to make a video on it. Very, very minimal. It's very simple, very straightforward. Nothing major on there. Obviously, if you want to learn how to draw it without the indicator, the course is there on how to trade it exactly like I do and draw them out and all the levels that I have and which ones are active and which ones aren't, right? But it'll be out eventually officially. We haven't made an announcement yet, so I wanted to put that out there. Other than that, y'all, appreciate you as always. It was an awesome power hour. Hit a couple nice trades. MOC again, MOC before FOMC. It's kind of a tongue twister to say that. It's always kind of didn't expect much from it. We just been chopping around back and forth. Tomorrow is going to be fun. Tomorrow, I will be coming on at 2 o'clock. I will be coming on at 2 o'clock tomorrow. I want to see what pre-FOMC is going to look like. I want to see what FOMC will be. And then we have big earnings. So power hour should be fucking wild tomorrow, brother. I'm kind of pumped for tomorrow's power hour. I'm expecting some volatility to kick in the closer we get to 4 o'clock with Meta and I think Apple. What else? Who else is earnings tomorrow?
I don't know. We got a bunch.
Yeah, it's big guys.
If you're a goth girl who goes to the gym,
DM him. And
Later.
then make sure you collect his spit.
and again,
After that's what's JJ's peace up.
not that chops. No.
Scary. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Started all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, running shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go. Eat on my head though. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go. Eat on my head though. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Probably need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white wine, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for
keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Gone and shift, gone and doing shit, then I did it again. Gone and shift, gone and shift, gone and doing shit. We in and out quick. Am I? You the mindset, do a quick 5, 10, turn it